wake up in the morning, it's 8 a.m. It's so fun to go to school again. I miss my school, I miss you all. Friends and teachers see you in the hall. I look around, everyone's smiling. It feels so good to be back again. I look around, everyone's smiling. It feels so good to be back again.
Ouch, ouch! Who are you? You are disturbing me too much. Hello, I am a mosquito. Who are you? Oh, hi, I am a housefly. Let's be good friends? Yes, why not? Let's gossip now. Yes, of course. Can we talk about ourselves? Can you start first? Yes, I am a dangerous insect. I suck the blood of people and spread diseases like dengue and malaria. Hey, you know, people call me harmful insect because I sit on dirty places and gather germs in my feet and body. These germs pass to the food items when I sit on it. Oh, really? Oh no, it's evening now. It's time to go back home. Yeah, oh, amazing. It's evening now. It's time to suck the blood of people and have a party with my friends. Okay.